The future of smartphones is always a captivating topic, and when it comes to Apple, even the smallest rumors spark global curiosity. Picture this: the iPhone 17, expected to launch in 2025, could redefine user experience with the introduction of ProMotion displays across all its models, including the standard version. If you're wondering why this is a big deal, let's dive into what ProMotion is and why it could change everything. ProMotion first arrived with the iPad Pro in 2017. It was a groundbreaking feature at the time, enabling display refresh rates to soar up to 120 Hz when needed, providing buttery smooth visuals and responsiveness. For tasks like using the Apple Pencil, the difference was phenomenal. Yet, it also cleverly reduced refresh rates when displaying static content, conserving battery life without compromising quality. Fast forward to today, and ProMotion has graced the iPhone Pro series since the iPhone 13 Pro, but the standard models have been left out of the equation. Until now. According to a trusted source, Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 17 lineup, including a rumored iPhone 17 Slim, could bring ProMotion to all models. This leak adds fuel to earlier speculations and excites users who have been longing for ProMotion's smoothness on a standard iPhone. Think about the possibilities. The display adjusting dynamically, making everything from scrolling to gaming feel ultra-responsive without draining your battery thanks to its adaptive refresh rates. But there's more. ProMotion isn't just about speed, it's about versatility. Current Pro models like the iPhone 16 Pro Max use this technology for an always-on display feature, something previously exclusive to the premium lineup. If ProMotion does make its way to the standard iPhone 17, it could mean both faster displays and an always-on feature for everyone, not just those who can splurge on Pro models. That's a significant shift in Apple's strategy, breaking down the walls that have traditionally set apart its Pro and non-Pro devices. This shift raises questions about why Apple has waited so long to bring ProMotion to its regular iPhones. One reason could be cost. Advanced display technology like this isn't cheap, and maintaining a price difference between Pro and regular models has likely been a calculated move to drive premium sales. But after 4 years, it seems Apple might finally be ready to level the playing field. The change could reflect growing competition in the smartphone market, where users expect high-end features at every price point. This rumor also aligns with previous leaks from early 2024, making it more credible. While Digital Chat Station is primarily known for camera-related leaks, their predictions about the iPhone 17's display are creating waves. Adding to the intrigue, this leaker has suggested a dramatic redesign of the rear camera layout for the iPhone 17, signaling more significant changes on the horizon. If these predictions hold true, the iPhone 17 could mark a turning point for Apple. By democratizing features like ProMotion, Apple not only enhances the value of its standard models, but also sets a new benchmark for what users can expect in their devices. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or a casual observer, the prospect of such innovation trickling down to more affordable models is undeniably exciting. As always with Apple, nothing is certain until the official unveiling, but the anticipation surrounding these rumors is already shaping discussions about the next era of iPhones. What do you think about this potential leap in technology for all iPhone models? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech rumors and breakthroughs. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256 gigabytes base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.